placed on deferred adjudication in 2019, CR 8173, for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on November 14, 2019, for a period of 4 years and extended for a total of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, State.
Right, folks, here's the setup. Our defendant is banking on tears and talk of redemption, but in court, tears don't erase violations. Let's see if Judge Boyd buys it or drops the hammer.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Amanda Nicole Lawson, who did in there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of October 2022.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Understand that, but I'm in hopes that you'll hear me out.
No, my question is, did you understand that? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense.
Look, I question that should be placed back on probation, and my client would like to testify to give a reason.
Check-in. Pleading true to a probation violation basically means admitting guilt. It's not like pleading guilty to a new crime. It just confirms you broke probation terms. And once you do that, the judge can hit you with the full sentence hanging over your head. 03.
All right, if you can raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Your name is Amanda Lawson.
All right, and what would you like to say?
Miss Boyd, because you gave me a second chance 2 years ago, I went to Grace House and I changed my life. I've been sober for 2 years. I was released from Grace House because I had a surgery and I had to go home and take care of my family. I've been doing nothing but going to work and going home. I was scared. I understand that being on the run for 2 years is bad, but I was scared that I was about to lose everything that I just worked really hard for. Because
she's leaning hard into the family caretaker defense. Grandparents, kids, surgery. It's sympathetic, but here's the kicker. Probation officers and judges have heard every variation of this story. Do you think personal struggles should outweigh sticking to the rules? Drop your take in the comments.
the way changed my life, and I'm just hoping that you believe in me one more time.
All right, this is your second motion to revoke. And what I do know is that each time when persons appear before me, I ask them if there's anything that the court can do. Do they need anything so that they can be successful? And I know that I tell people, if there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. So you've been here before. You were placed on probation in 2019. And then you came back in 2021 and you pled true to a violation of condition number 1, which is a new offense. And then the court altered and amended your conditions and continued you. And then now we're here and nobody has seen.
Judge Boyd nails the heart of the problem here. Reporting to probation isn't optional. It's literally the cornerstone of deferred adjudication. Skipping it for 2 years is like ghosting your boss and then asking for a raise.
You since 2022.
I was scared. I was at home. I was taking care of my family.
Why don't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I was scared. I can't have no excuse for that, Miss Boyd.
Okay.
I was scared to lose everything I've just worked so hard for. My grandma is 75 and my grandpa is 95, and I have my kids back in my life. I have a relationship with them now. I've been sober since Grace House. I haven't worked so hard for something. It would just destroy me to lose it again and start over.
All right. So these are choices you made.
Yes, I understand that.
You made the choice not to report.
I understand that. I'm just hoping you'll believe in me one last time.
All right. Any questions?
She said all.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is finding you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to punishment? State?
Yes, Your Honor, the state's requesting 16 months, state jail.
Yeah, we're requesting a minimum. That's 166 days in. We also have some credit for the time.
Judge Boyd was ready to hand down 2 years, but the prosecution asked for only 16 months. That's unusual. Usually the defense pleads for mercy, not the state. Wild, right? Zero.
Served and
All right. So what I can tell you, Ms. Lawson, the state is requesting 16 months. I had internalized everything you said. And actually, what the court was going to do was sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. But the state is requesting 16 months. So I'm going to sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes,
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right.
Final lesson from Judge Boyd. In her court, permission beats forgiveness. Translation? You can't vanish for 2 years and then come back with excuses. Probation is about communication, not disappearing acts.
We can go off the record. Here's the thing, you were given chances. And
I was,
in this court, I don't know how other courts do it, but in this court, it is better to ask for permission than forgiveness. All you had to do was pick up the phone and call your probation officer and say, this is what's going on in my life. And if they did not address it, you know what you could have done? You could have come back to this court, come back to me, and I would have figured out what was going on. But for you to behave as though you were not on probation, that's a problem. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Who's here on Denise?